Got our IKEA cart. A lot of people. Even though it's a weekday. This is what we got. Yum yum yum. Introduce us.
Got his full name or nah?
Full name and
Okay, I
nickname.
must find his full name first. Hold on. The full name is Sylvie Agre Tutut Babo.
Wait, so what nickname do you give?
Jolly Fox. Just the brand of detergent.
Oh. Is it just me or did the glasses become bigger the last time? Or is it the same? Never tried it. Yeah, very sweet. Is it cranberry? Or some type of berry? Oh, lingonberry. Oh, yeah, just like her. We finished our food. Clean plates. And then we got tea while we spilled the tea. God, aliens! So cute! And the rugs and stuff. Hi! For the bear!
Oh my god, look.
Oh my god, the size of you!
He's not a second name like Snom.
Dunkle. And it's for $39.90.
I want to get this.
Oh, so cute! The bunny. Kids' toys.
Go ahead.
Wait, these are kids' toys, you know?
Somewhere.
Apple.
Apple. Apple and a worm. Oh. Apple.
It's
Oh,
cute.
sorry, apple.
Pineapple.
Orange. Grape. The grape blue. What
Yeah,
the yellow
why is
color?
it blue?
And
Pear.
here.
Banana. A watermelon. You can open the watermelon. And then at the end. Ooh.
Oh, is it our face?
Wait, which size frame do you want?
This sense $2. Small lah.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't space to put. I also no space.
Yeah.
Only can put and put somewhere.
Maybe 50 cents. Yeah. Ooh, this is what we came here for.
Wait, I look the same in every picture. So we look like perfectly photo. Mama, Papa.
So like 10
Okay,
photos.
this one can. Look a bit like still got gap.
Oh, this one is cute. This one is cute.
Okay, we click first.
This one?
I like the.
I like that one.
Cozy kind. This one. This one can.
Later.
Okay, this one.
And this one also quite cute. Okay, we can custom.
No, he said don't have filter. Right? So it's like that.
Oh, have filter.
Anything.
I think color is
Why
nice.
am I holding you like that? Like we both.
Were your parents? Were your parents?
Yeah, the one that said you like family photos. But okay. Sticker. That's it. A sticker.
Add sticker.
Huh? What sticker?
I think like
Sure.
they have a selection of stickers.
Oh.
Got like
I never
food.
see anymore. Oh my god, I put chicken wing Why they put it like that, like stock photo?
How about sea animals? Take a look. What does?
Oh,
Oh, that's
can
cute.
put on the head. See, can see it on our head.
Okay.
Elephant.
Okay, which animal
you want? I think there's more animals. You slide there.
Yes, like
They still have iconic bear.
Oh,
No more already. Hey, the monkey very funny. So cute. Should we have one on every date or what?
opposite.
Oh,
Is that too
there.
much?
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Okay, let's tweak the animal first,
Sea
Animals.
animals.
You want elephant? You want the
Anything. You can choose.
you want the bear?
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
The bear can represent Jaina.
You should take the one like that. Oh, the bear.
Oh.
Oh, maybe later.
Okay, let's do that.
Yeah.
Then you can delete first one. If I don't know, you see whether it works.
I think that's the smallest.
You put like that. Then she
Floating.
up on the head.
I don't know.
But I think can only put one sticker and one photo.
Is it?
I don't know. I don't know.
Can turn or not? Okay, they're not very tech savvy, huh?
It's not her fault. Okay.
Okay, maybe not.
Maybe not. Okay. Really
It looks a bit odd.
Okay.
Unless we do the like that, right?
Yeah, we have to do
Unless-
a different
unless like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to do a pose.
Okay. Okay, we don't put sticker first.
Okay.
This photo. Oh, it's the same one. It's the same one.
Family
A
photo.
sticker. No one.
No.
No.
Shit, oh no. Back.
Yes, your eyes are so huge.
I'm sorry.
No, it's nice.
Oh, it's nice.
yeah.
Stickers? No.
Oh,
I
try.
don't know.
And there's chicken wing, right? Oh my god, there's a chef hat. No,
The chef
looks
hat.
very
No,
ugly.
no.
Very ugly.
They didn't even like shape it properly.
Yeah.
No,
No.
Yeah. Okay. Wow.
Wow, it's gonna take forever.
Oh,
Oh, so fast.
have to buy with the
10 times 15 is the 50-cent one. Small.
We take 3, each person 1.
Okay.
Next photo. Oh, the photo damn big, sorry. 3,
Yeah, only need. We can buy the photo only.
Can buy a photo.
No,
only. And yeah, this is the photo then.
Huh?
So the photo.
With the frame? No.
Not
The
included.
frame is not included.
I didn't know that. Okay,
I
sure.
just found out too. Gonna get jelly candy heart.
Viking ship.
Coca-Cola flavor.
Viking ship, eh.
Get a curry puff. 5. Yes.
Are you gonna get ice cream?
I don't think so. Whoa, so cool. Oh, so cute.
No, yes.
Can it?
Okay. Your 0.5 series.
This is him on the video. I'm going to Central House.
Wait the year.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Is it comfortable? It's like a classic guy's bedroom. They even have this outside. Look, I
Maybe
did
not.
work
There's-
in IKEA, but it's a fake computer laptop. There's
No brand.
no brand, no logo, man. It's fake.
Yeah.
Even this is
That's
fake.
YouTube.
YouTube, but it's a
Advanced.
fake video.
Oh my god, advanced fat burning HIIT cardio workout.
This is such a guy room. Guy showroom.
It is, eh.
The side.
Keep the pool alive.
Such a weird room to be in.
Body weight dumbbell workout. Anyway, I need to focus. Sorry guys, my gains.
For your gains.
Okay, my muscle is burning.
Okay, we messed around. Welcome to our Christmas dinner. Welcome. Please take a seat.
got the gnome.
It's called pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl, the gnome.
Genie the reindeer.
Yes, we got the small Christmas tree here.
Very small.
Tiny, and we're all gonna have Christmas dinner. This is our imaginary house. Manifested. We're going home. Bye.